Since I'm taking up a bunch of soil out of my parents' front flower bed, I had to check to see if the green waste trash had come and picked up yet, because mine was kind of heavy. So I checked the neighbors and look what I see. Are you kidding me right here? Look at this. Seriously? Who does this? Well, you know how I am about rescuing succulents. Let's get to work. Okay, so these may look like they've seen their day, but look, all you need to do on these is take off, obviously, anything that's broken. So a cute little rosette. I could make a cut right here to get to reroot, or I could just leave it like this and plant it as is, which is what I'll probably do. So who would throw this away? Okay, here's another example. It's seen better days, but again, all you need to do is take off the dead. Because once you cut these off of the stem, they won't grow back. They'll grow its own new babies, but where the actual cut is made on the mother plant, it's not going to grow back. So yeah, another cute little rosette. I could even make it a little bit smaller. Cute. Same thing on here. This is like kind of a longer stem. So it's probably sitting like this on its side. So we're going to take off all this broken stuff right here. I'm going to just keep, I personally keep taking it off until it looks like a normal rosette again. It's broken, so we'll take that one back. And this one I'll definitely cut because it has kind of this longer stem and it's angled. So that's all you need, is just a little, 1 to 2 inch stem, maybe a little bit shorter. Another rosette. I'm actually going to cut this one shorter. Okay, so here's another one. This one's just sitting in here, perfectly fine. Now, I will admit, this one is looking a little cray-cray, so we definitely want to cut off the ends of this, and then, of course, take off all this dead at the bottom. I just barely missed the green waste trash, too. We want it to look a little bit even, so probably take off these longer ones just to make it look a little bit more symmetrical. That's probably good enough. And then I'm going to get a little bit of stem. Okay, so yeah, this is a hot mess, and if you have this, don't throw it in the trash. Take these cuttings, get rid of all of the dead or droopy leaves. There we go. Trim it up just a bit. Okay, where did that go? So yeah, so this isn't pretty. This wouldn't look nice in your yard, would it? Even these look a little bit sketchy. So these will just break right off just because they're so sad. yeah, we'll take off the dead on these. Maybe one more. Nice rosette. And here, we'll take that cutting there. Now, I realize some of these are just bent because they've been in the trash can, but definitely easier to take off leaves without clippers in your hand. Okay, and this last one. Okay, so this piece, I'm gonna go ahead and toss that. And then just want it to look somewhat even, symmetrical. Doesn't have to be perfect. Not everything in nature is perfect, right? There you go, and then we'll trim that stem just a bit. Okay, so then there's this festival going on right here, which is like a giant one. It's kind of hard to see. I wasn't prepared to be filming today, it just happened to be at my parents'. Okay, so see how this is kind of just hanging off to the side right here? Okay, so we're definitely gonna cut this off. See how in the middle of all that is a beautiful rosette. Let's move this off. There we go. Oops. Took the wrong one off. How cute is that? Okay, so for the big guy, definitely gonna want to remove this broken stuff. And the thicker the stem, the longer it's going to take for this guy to root. So I might actually just leave these roots here. Okay. Oh, I barely made it through. And hopefully you can see this beauty. And then we'll just take off all these ones that aren't looking so hot. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Slug. Hello. See that? Still so pretty. Yay! It's the best quarantine day yet. After I'm done, I'm gonna lay them all out for you to see all these beauties. And then, let's see. And there's another huge Big Daddy. And this huge stem. You see how thick that stem is? I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna take off all the broken dead stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna need some bigger clippers for this, so hold that thought. Okay. Nice catch, I saved it. How cute. Just a little bit of damage right here on a few of those leaves, but other than that, it's gorgeous. I love this one. So pretty. Beautiful. Okay, so that's trash. That's trash. Okay, there's this guy. Definitely want to take off these dead leaves. Well, they're not dead. They're just not looking so hot. But still super cute. Give them a couple inches. There you go. And then there's some like festivals going on over here. And this guy, what I'll probably do is like these that are in good shape. Probably just cut those off. Probably even go a little bit shorter. I feel like the longer the stem, the longer it takes to root, so I try to keep it pretty small. So this looks like some flowers. We don't need those. But there's definitely some cute little babies on here. I would cut off all the flowers though, because those are going to take energy from the plant that's trying to grow some new roots. But how cute are those cute babies? Love. They're probably all going to need to be sprayed too for mealybugs, but yeah, there's still plenty to salvage on this. How cute. Just cut off all the little flowers. There you go. And it looks like there's some bigger ones on here. Let's see. Try to do a cut here. Yeah. So a couple things. Let's get rid of that. Oh, there's some babies coming in. Can't tell if it's flowers or babies. We definitely get rid of the flowers for now because can't tell. We'll just separate that and see if that'll grow. Looks like it's a new baby growing on it. It looks like a baby growing in on the side. Get that flower out of there. Another cute baby. Wow, what a great find. It's like Christmas in quarantine. I'll go through this one a little bit more too. Ooh, more babies. See right here? Jackpot. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Here's a whole other one too. So on this one, I might just clean it up. Since there's so much going on here. Might just get all the dead out. We'll see. Depends on how much dead is in here. Yes, so much to still salvage. Look, so many beautiful, healthy plants still. I'll decide later on that one. Oh, look at, there's more babies right there on top. Yeah, I'm gonna go through this one later as well. You can see what's going on. Oops, that was one I just tossed, but yeah, what a jackpot. So I just set them on this bush that I'm going to trim back so you could see, but look. That one I still have to work with, but, and this one I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but look at that. It's got to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of these beauties, plus the little tiny babies that I haven't even caught off yet.